It's really that simple. You can figure out exactly what you need to do based off of this. What's up, guys? It is your girl Sarah from Sarah Styles here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to decide how many active listings you actually need. I will walk you through the step-by-step how to figure out how many active listings you need. Not anecdotal, this is how many I have and this is how many social media tells me that you have to have. I'm going to walk you through and show you the steps to figure it out for yourself. And even better than that, I am linking down below the free Google Sheet that I am using so that you can do it as well. Let's jump right into it. Oh, before we get into it, we need to kind of go over some terminology. If you're new to this channel, these are terms that I use very frequently. So sell-through rate is going to be how many you have sold out of how many that you have for sale. This can be a daily number. This can be a monthly number. This can be an annual number. It just depends on the time period that you're looking at. But that's what it is. Your sell-through rate. You have sold 100% of your inventory. All of the inventory that you purchased has sold. You have 100% sell-through rate. Average sale price. That is how much things are selling for on average. You can look at this for all of your inventory. You can look at it by certain categories. There's lots of different metrics that you can look at it for. I will link some videos up here on different various ways that I use this. These two metrics are very important in tracking and managing your data to be able to get to where you want to go. And in this video, they're very important because I'm going to be showing you guys the golden formula for resellers. And before you stop and say, oh my God, Sarah, this is just too much math. I can't do it. I have a fear of math. This sheet is linked down below. So you guys will have access to this as well. And I'm going to walk you through step by step on how exactly to use this. So the golden formula for resellers, this is essentially the pieces of the puzzle that you need to know to see how much money that you want to make. Your sell-through rate times your active listings, that's basically just saying how many you've sold, we'll say for the month. So your sell-through rate times your active listings, that's how many you've sold for the month, times your average sale price. How much on average were they selling for? That's your gross revenue. That's it. And so if I take you back to 7th grade math, right, you just work the equation backwards. You have gross revenue on one side and you have these three variables on the other side. If you want to figure out active listings essentially in 7th grade would be your X. But if you want to figure out your active listings, you just manipulate the formula to get active listings by itself. I'm not going to make you do that. Like I said, I have this Google Sheet. It is going to be down below. It's free or pay what you want. So if you feel like this is something that is helpful for you, you enjoy my content, you enjoy this sheet and it's really helping you, there are links to buy me a coffee that you can pay what you think it is worth. Links down below and then on this sheet as well. I'm not going to make you work backwards. All you have to do is go into here and fill out. Before we get to that, if you want to make more money reselling and learning the tools and analytics that are going to help get you there, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, save it for future reference so you can come back and remember how to do this. I'm not going to make you work backwards. All you have to do is go into here and fill out your stats. What is your sell-through rate? What is your average sale price? What is your gross revenue? And if you have the Sarah Styles Sales and Trends dashboard, links for that are down below. It's a one-time fee to where you have access and all of these formulas are done for you. If you have access to this, you have access to these numbers already. My sell-through rate, so we're looking at July of 2021, my sell-through rate for last month was 9.42. My average sale price for last month was $39. So I come over here quickly and I just rounded up to 10%. I said my average sale price is $39. I want to make $10,000 a month. And this calculates, so if you're using this sheet, these are the numbers that you can go in and enter whatever your numbers are. And then this number down here, your active listings calculates for you. I need to have 2,699 active listings if my stats stay this way to get my gross revenue to $10,000. Nice thing too is if you don't like the math, you don't want to have to figure these things out, the Sarah Styles Sales and Trends dashboard is going to do all of this math for you. You track and manage your own data. So you come in here when things are listed, you type it out, and when things get sold, you type it out, and then you have access to all of these. You can come in here, there is a simulator down here, and instead of just telling you one scenario, this is exactly how many active listings you have, it looks at your historical data and it tells you, hey, my average sale price is around $39. If I increase my average sale price, I have to sell less items, which also means that I have to have less active listings. It gives you scenarios based off of your numbers, not based off of what you saw on social media, and this person has this many listings, and so I need to do that too. This is based off of your numbers, based off of your inventory, based off of your sales strategies. And then you can dig even deeper into your inventory and say, hey, I am going to work on increasing my average sale price. What categories are really giving me those high average sale price? I'm going to come over here and look and say, hey, bags. My average sale price is $77 for bags. If I want to increase that gross revenue, I'm focusing on bags. And guys, this is going to look different for everybody, but that's where the math is going to help you, because the math is the same regardless of what categories you sell, what brands you sell, what kind of inventory that you sell. The math is going to work regardless. If you guys like content like this, YouTube also thinks you'd like this. I'll link more reseller videos here, and make sure to hit that subscribe button.